Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7, outcomes of democracy. This is module 2. In first we discuss about some points related to democracy. Now here we will discuss about the political outcomes of democracy. You know that democracy is one of a better form of government with comparison to others. Now here some of the points related to democracy, that is first is accountable government. It means this government is accountable form of government that will give the answers. Accountable government. What will be in that? It is answerable. It means the people that are the part of the country and they have elected the government. They have chosen the government. So it is the responsibility of this government to satisfy them. Okay. Now what is there? This government works according to the constitution and elected representatives work for the people. It means these elected these are the representatives in parliament. When any problem is there, they can be questioned even. Some of the bills are there that we can see that government have given the answers. For example, any of this farmer law bill is to be passed, labor bill was passed, article 370, and even some of the 3 talaq like this. So it means it is answerable. These elected representatives, they solve the problems of the commoners means these civilians. Okay. Now next, there should be transparency. There should be transparency in decision making. It means that should be a better one. It is not that behind the curtain, because in this is a form of government that has to give the answers. They have to satisfy the people. It is up to here. If they will work according to the people, then there is no problem. And if they will not work, next time elections will be held and that will be replaced. So it is a good form of government that should be questioned always. And when questions are there, that will work better. Okay. So it means this is an accountable form of government that give answers that satisfies even RTI, even the people have the right to information of the government. It means they have the right how the work of the government. They can share the information. They can take up such things. So it is a better form of government in comparison to other. Okay. Now second thing, that is responsive government. Again something similar. Next is responsive government. It means what will be in that? They are to be responsible in every of the work. Okay. They are to be responsible. They have to give their responses, their reactions, their answers, so that the things can be monitored, the things can be done in a proper way. Okay. They work within the norms and procedures. It means they will work according to the norms according to the procedures. When any decision is to be taken, then they are to be questioned, debate and discussion should be there. It is not should be, it is like a formality. No. The things, the questions that are to be discussed, even our parliament was made or even our constitution was made where debate and discussions are held. Then the final approval of the constitution. In the same manner, parliament where debate and discussions or discussions are there, question hour are there, then such things come. So it is an important one. Okay. So the government is responsible, and they should work with the you may say constitution, and the decision should be in favor of the people. In favor of the people. It is an also important one, because if any bill is to be passed, then discussions, debate are there, then the final approval of the president. So it means even that can also be questioned. They have to keep in mind who the representatives, that they are having 130 crore people, and if it is suitable for them or not. It means this is also a responsive government. Always question. Here it may be there that the decisions are delayed, corruption is more, and it is efficient or less efficient, but even then it is a better form of government. So it means it is a responsibility of the government to have a better decision in favor of the people. Otherwise the same pattern, they will be replaced by the another party. This is a form of the constitution, this is a form of democracy. Regular elections are held, and even they have to work within the people, because people-centered government, that is an important one. Okay. Now, next is legitimate government. The legitimate means valid, legal. Third is legitimate government. Legitimate government. Okay. It means this is an valid government. Valid government, legal government, because we have elected that. Now you can see, after elections, the winners form government and others in the opposition. It means whom we have chosen, whom we have given the maximum votes, any party, that party will work in the form of government, in the form of, you may say, under the guidance of constitution, under the different domains. So it means these things are there. Okay. Next thing will be there, the decision the decision may be delayed, but it should be valid, it should be accurate. So it means sometimes we may say that democratic government are less efficient, they do not have the control, there are some of the corruptions and other things are there, but we are not to bother, we are not to face such things, because this valid government is elected by us, and these elected representatives that will work, and that work will always be questioned. Different political parties are there, elections are held, regular elections, the winners form the government, they will work under the constitution or under the guidance of the government. So it means it is a valid government. Okay. Next thing you can say that this government, you may say, elected government may be less efficient, but it is better form of government. It is better form of government because we have chosen this. It is a better form of government. So we may say that this democratic form of government includes the accountability of the government, responsibility as well as the legitimate, and that work according to the constitution. Okay.